Every day we check our inboxes. We see messages from friends, work, and services we trust, but not every message is what it seems. One click, that's all it takes. One click to open the door and invite someone into your digital world. But who's really standing on the other side? They look like messages from people or companies you trust. Your bank, your favorite online store, your workplace. But these emails, these messages, they're designed to steal your information, your money, your identity. It's called phishing. It's the most common form of cyber attack, and it preys on something inside all of us: trust. Phishing is not just an attack on your inbox, it's an attack on your instincts. It uses urgency, fear, and even curiosity to lure you in. And in a world where we're constantly connected, the risks are greater than ever. Here's how it happens. You receive an email or a message that looks legitimate. It might tell you your account's been compromised, or that you've won a prize, or that there's a document you need to review. It seems real, but when you click, you're taken to a website designed to steal from you. These phishing sites are crafted to look like the real thing. They mimic every detail, but there are signs if you know where to look. The URL might be slightly different, or there might be small errors in the text, logos that don't look quite right. Sometimes it's just a gut feeling something is off. Every time you receive a message asking you to click a link, it's like choosing a door. Behind one, your data is safe, but behind another, someone's waiting to steal what's yours. So how do you protect yourself? How do you know which door is safe to open? It starts with awareness. 1. Urgent or unexpected requests for sensitive information. 2. Suspicious links or attachments. 3. Generic greetings instead of your name. 4. Poor grammar and spelling errors. 5. Unfamiliar or slightly altered email addresses. Look for the signs. Phishing scams often use urgency. Act now or lose access to your account. They might ask for personal information that no legitimate company would ever request via email. Look closely at the sender's address. If it doesn't match exactly, or if something feels even slightly off, don't click. Always verify. If you get a message from your bank, your job, or a trusted service asking for action, don't click the link in the message. Go directly to the source. Visit the official website or call the company using a number you trust. Take control of the situation before it controls you. Phishing scams evolve, just like the people who create them, but so can we. By staying cautious, by verifying before we act, we can close the door on these attacks. One of the best defenses is prevention. Enable two-factor authentication on your accounts. This simple step ensures that even if someone does get your password, they'll still need that second layer of verification to get in. And if you ever receive a phishing message, report it. By reporting phishing attempts, you're not only protecting yourself, but you're helping others avoid the same trap. Phishing is a deception. It's an attack on trust, and it thrives in the shadows of uncertainty. But the more you know, the more you're prepared, the harder it becomes for these scams to succeed. Stay cautious, stay informed, and remember, you have the power to protect your digital life. Every time you pause, every time you question, you take back control from those who seek to exploit it. Because online, it's not just about being connected, it's about being safe.